how to move image non-www to www in WordPress. To move your WordPress image from a non-www domain to a www domain, you will need to update your site's URL and image path so everything loads correctly. So before making any changes, make sure to back up your site. So once you have backed up your site, go ahead and open your web server on a new tab. So if you're using cPanel, go ahead and open cPanel. Open the htaccess file and then set the changes for redirecting the non-www file to www, and then update WordPress site URL. So in your WordPress dashboard, go ahead and head back, click on the settings button at the left side of your screen, and then under this, scroll down and then look for the WordPress address or site address URL, and then click on this add a domain button at the right side. Add custom address instead. So set this into the URL that you've chosen and then click on save changes at the bottom, and your site will log back in using the new www URL. After this, you need to go ahead and update image URLs in the database. So install phpMyAdmin, export your database with your replacements, and re-import it via phpMyAdmin or the plugin itself. Now after this, you need to clear your cache, clear your browser cache and your WordPress cache. If using a CDN, purge its cache too. Now after this, you need to test your site. So visit your site using the link and then check image loading on key pages. Use tools like Broken Link Tracker to scan for any broken image links. And that is how you can basically move image non-www to www in WordPress.